Hey, it's Andrew Yates, relaxing at home now after NAMM 2016. Let's take a quick look at the Blizzard lighting booth from NAMM. You'll see lots of their moving head fixtures, the snake eyes fixtures, as well as some scanners, really cool scanners that were actually pan and tilt scanners that I really liked. There was about a dozen of them on the back wall. So let's look at this quick video from Blizzard Lighting.
Start dancing or something?
Anytime, guys.
Wait, where's the subwoofer? Yeah.
Pretty cool, huh? They actually make a mini version of that as well for $3.99 that you can use in the mobile DJ market. Those other lights are really nice, but they're pretty big. I certainly wouldn't want to carry one around for any mobile applications. But Blizzard Lighting, good stuff. Thanks for watching.